Hi, my name is Antonella Di Giulio and I am the creator behind Web Piano Academy. In this tutorial, you are going to learn a very easy version of Jingle Bells in its entirety. So we usually find the refrain in some tutorials or easy pieces, but not the entire piece. So I transcribed the entire piece for my own students, and you will find the link to the score below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can find new videos and all the updates about piano playing, about music theory, about music in general. Please remember that playing an instrument also means that you have to allow yourself to make mistakes. So whatever happens when you're practicing, keep doing it. And so the results will be better over time. Enjoy the video, enjoy the tutorial, and practice. Hi, Okay, in this version of Jingle Bells, you're going to start with the left hand on the G and then move to the right hand. And the first 8 measures and the following 8 measures are pretty much the same except for the end. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then you start over again. And then the next phrase. Rest, next phrase. Okay, let's repeat that without stopping. Then the next 8 measures are pretty much the same, and then pay attention to the end. Start with 3 here, F with 3. Skip to 2, skip with a 2 to the D. And then change, the left hand goes with 1 on the G. Now we repeat the second part. G, 5, 4, 3, skip to the 2 on the D, and change G. Okay, now we repeat the first part. And then we will start the refrain with the chords. So let's look at the chords at the left hand. So we have a C major chord, then C major chord, then C major chord, and then rest. Then the next part is F chord, C major chord, and then you go up to sort of D chord with F sharp, and then G chord. Then one more time, C chord, C chord, C chord, a small scale going down, F chord, C chord, G7, and then C chord. So the right hand will do the refrain. With the pinky here. Now we'll play the refrain with both hands slow. Now we'll play the entire thing from the beginning.